Pag two-time pro MVP yung tatay mo, 40 greatest players.
True. Yeah.
At saka parehas kayo ng posisyon na nilalaro. So, ang laking bagay nun. Combo guard kayo parehas.
And I think he's the perfect mentor for that situation para kay Dre. Kasi ito si Willie Miller, ano yan? Kumbaga, laro lang.
Laro lang.
Next play, ganun siya. Doesn't linger.
High low to start off the game. Nag-zone defense ang San Sebastian trying to alleviate inside scoring.
Oh, that's a foul on TJ Filibrico.
Ito tahimik din ha. Hindi gaano nakakuha ng minute in the first half. TJ.
Coach, at point guard, Coach Chico going with Yuan Kamay instead of Dre Miller.
Whoever has a better grip on their offense, I guess, will get the nod.
Sa kabila naman for San Sebastian, it's Escobedo making the start with Mix Pascual. So both coaches mixing it up to begin the third quarter.
Oh, the good kind of mixing up.
Yeah.
The good kind.
The good kind. What's the bad kind? Okay.
Hindi naman bad kind.
Okay. Not so good.
Not so good
Okay.
kind of mix-up.
But 52-43. So Kamay splitting his charities. For San Sebastian, coach, what do you expect from this team?
Oh, they need to be able to feed their stallions. Itong si Escobedo at saka si Paegare. They need to be more aggressive.
Uy!
Laki ng Valencia pag nasa ilalim. Parang, kasi 4 to nung high school eh. Tapos ngayon, ang ganda ng ball handling, nagkaroon na ng confidence.
Both point blank misses though. Richo puts it up and in.
Hirap na galaw yun. Para kay Richo.
The lefty has 9 points to lead San Sebastian. That's his first 2 points since producing in the first. RJ misfires. At ito na. Ang San
tempo.
Sebastian. Remar Escobedo. Escobedo sends it out. Pascual ilalapit. Balik sa labas tayo kay Escobedo. Escobedo. Step back 3. Got it! The lead is down to 4.
Sabi ko sa'yo yung Pascual, system player eh. Tama yung mga reads niya. Alam niya na pop out si Escobedo. Alam niya na nakakuha ng buwelo. Marunong magpasa eh.
Correct. Naabangan na niya yung reposition doon ni Escobedo. Alright. We have a stoppage here. Let's use this opportunity to throw it back courtside. Ito muna sa dugout ng magkabilang panig natin. Nandito ulit si Christine San Agustin.
Walang sisihan and always take one for the team. Yan ang paalala ni Coach Arvin Bonleon sa San Sebastian Golden Stags during the halftime huddle as he addressed the resurfacing tendency of the players of focusing on themselves alone, leading to the team's meltdown when chemistry is needed the most. But despite this, Coach Arvin still commended the team for still being able to rise above their deficiencies and reminded them of the fact na gigil silang humarap sa game na to, and now is the time to show that said hunger. Yan muna ang balita mula sa Golden Stags. Martin George Hammer.
So, kailangan nila yung cohesion na binanggit din ni Christine initially for San Sebastian. No individual basketball. At kung ano nagkakamali sila, wala rin dapat sisihan. Tuloy lang sa laro.
Next play.
Uy, Kamay. Pagsak si Kapulong. Naka 3 puntos kanina si Yuan Kamay. That's why the lead is back up to 7 points. Richo. Lalim. Richo again. Wala. Escobedo has it.
Uy, traveling.
Wow. Nauna yung step, coach.
Oo.
Ito.
Kursunada ko talaga itong Pascual maglaro. Galing magbasa.
It's a series of moves for Raymart again. Pero pinasa ni Pascual sa kanya.
Stabilizer. Uy, handshake agad. Pangilang foul niya ni Escobedo. I think that's his
number 11, Raymart Escobedo.
second.
His
Okay.
second.
Yeah, second foul.
Three on the Golden Set.
He's done a better job today in limiting his fouls.
Pero nandun pa rin yung ball pressure. Pero mas objective yung mga sundot niya. Hindi subjective na sundot lang siya na sundot.
Objective na sundot.
Alam mo, kailan ka susundot dapat eh.
Yeah.
May mga coaches nga na ayaw sumusundot yung player. Good defense.
Look at Kapulong here.
Good read by Felebrico.
Earn J gets trapped. Hold
3
on.
seconds
3
violation.
seconds ang tinawag dito kay Geronimo, but that's great interior defense by San Sebastian,
ito yung
coach.
help side, oh. Side kasi every time makuha ni Kapulong, bobomba ng isa, pipihit pa rin yan sa kaliwa. Hindi niya ihuhook shot ng left hand, eh. So kaya kailangan matibay yung help side defense mo on his left shoulder block.
Felebrico releases. Masyadong malakas to. So that's the adjustment of San Sebastian defensively. Let's see if Arellano can react. Oh, what a spin.
Good pass.
Spray. Noya. There's Pascual. Felebrico. Inalabas. Teka lang.
Stepping.
Umapak si Felebrico.
Stepping on the sideline si TJ.
Both teams erratic to begin the third quarter.
Tsaka opting to use a bigger lineup ng si Coach Arvin yan, with Suico and Felebrico together instead of that smaller lineup. Ngayon, mas nakakapag-playmake tong si Felebrico.
Ito siya. Felebrico sends it out. Richo. Off to the left.
Look to din to si Richo, no?
Oh. Vinoya is down. Richo is initially called for the unsportsmanlike
We'll
foul.
have a review on the
Nakahawak
last
dito sa
foul.
tuhod si Vinoya. Tingnan natin ano nangyari dito, On
This-
this pop-out three.
Yeah, this was the shot. Oh, nakabakan niya sa landing. Itong si Richo, bagsak si Richo. Ooh, oh yeah. That's a
Scary
swing underneath.
play.
Yeah.
That's on the knee.
Oh,
Uncalled for. That was a swing on the knee.
wow.
Wow.
At coach, nag-contest lang naman si Vinoya. Lumanding lang sa
Oo.
paa niya.
Walang tawag eh. Wow, delikado yung ganong galaw.
That's a dangerous play.
Upon review, there was an sportsmanlike foul. Criteria 2 on number 13, Christian Richo.
So
For
it's going to be an
excessive hard contact
unsportsmanlike
by a
foul. It
player
won't be a
in an effort
disqualifying
to play the
foul.
ball or an opponent.
But that's a dangerous
Mandatory substitution for the
play.
Chiefs.
Just swing at the knee.
Joseph Bernal.
It's not a basketball
coming in
move.
for the Chiefs.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. But again, the referees are handling this.
All right, so two
Shooting
free
the
throws
is Joseph Bernal
plus a
ball
bonus possession
for
para
the
dito
Chiefs.
sa Arellano. Sai Hernal will take two. Si Mavi Vinoya, nilabas muna ni Coach Chico. Hernal missing on the first.
That was a scary hit.
Yeah. Lalo, iniingatan mo yung lower part eh. It's very vulnerable.
Saka kung naglalaro ka,
Yeah.
I mean, poprotektahan mo rin yung kalaro mo. Okay kayo magbigayan, magkiskisan. But
Time out, Arellano
first,
Chiefs.
player safety eh.
Okay, let's go first to this timeout.
And Monhe with a deflection. Ito na si Monhe. Monhe with a finish.
Ganda na ang defense ni Monhe.
Coach, as we see this move by Kobe Monhe, I just noticed and realized itong uniform ng Letran, may pagka-throwback na anggulo.
Balik sa ating laban. And now, smile cam naman tayo. Sana ngumiti sila. Kailangan nakatingin ka sa big screen natin. Yes. Nice. Okay, next. Ayan, oh, di ba? Everybody's here in Phil Oil. Thank you for joining us. Ito, yan. Mommy, smile. We have our crowd here inside the Phil Oil Egg Oil Center.
All possession stays with the
Almost
Arellano
full
team.
itong Phil Oil on a
14
Sunday.
seconds on the shot clock.
We got two games today. San Sebastian Arellano featured in the first game. Benilde versus Letran in the second. This is the bonus possession of Arellano of that unsportsmanlike foul on Richo. Ewan Kamay still manning the point for the Chiefs. Carnal dumps it in, but there's a whistle.
Pushing foul, number
There's
25.
a pushing
Vince
foul.
Uico penalty. Fourth
So-
foul on Vince Uico.
Coach, 5 minutes and 49
Two free
remaining.
throws
San
for
Sebastian is
Lopez
already in the
Sapulo.
penalty.
So they got to milk this.
Yeah.
Dahil meron kang mga attackers, meron kang big guy. Kadalasan, pagka mga ganyan, if I was coaching, through experience lang, pagka nakakita ako ng mga penalty, tas meron akong big man parang si Kapulong, provided that he makes his free throws.
Yeah.
He misses first one, or meron akong parang Basti Valencia, force feed ko talaga. Kasi nakita na natin na pag umatake, tatalon yung mga bantay eh. So atakihin nyo, ngat-ngatin nyo yung depensa. Kasi hindi pa naman nag-a-adjust. Makikipagbanggaan pa rin sila, hahampas sila. Bayaan nyo yung mga referee tumawag. Basta kayo, dire-diretso lang.
They gotta take advantage of
Oh yeah,
this. Diba?
those are cheap points.
For Arellano, they still haven't committed a foul here in the third quarter. Ito si Paengare. Checked in earlier, right after the timeout. This one was from
Nabot.
way out. Woo! Bagsak si Valencia.
Uy, magkabakampi yung nagkatamaan. Tingnan natin, sino yung tumulak?
That's
Rex Gabat. Mukhang tinulak si Yuan Kamay. Kaya bumagsak si Valencia. We'll see.
that's also a dangerous collision.
Oo.
Tingnan natin to, coach. Yung nangyari sa ilalim. So, pagmasdan mo si Kamay.
Nagkatamaan yung friendly fire.
Tingnan natin. From a different angle. Oh, yeah.
Nadapa si Kamay.
That was...
Tingnan natin sa ating mga officials.
All players, please proceed to the shaded
Wala, medyo
area
malayo si Gabat dun,
in front of your
Kaya nagtataka siya.
benches.
Nangyari, ba't sa akin?
At saka yung takbo niya palayo sa tao eh.
There is a review on the last foul.
Okay. So, we're seeing sort of like an extension here in the third quarter with the amount of reviews we're having. Check out what happened. Sumabit yung paa ni Kamay kay Gabat, kaya siya bumagsak, coach.
The referees have a better angle
Yeah.
on that. Kasi yung vantage point natin nadulas eh. Yun ang nakita natin nadulas si Kamay.
Yeah.
Pero mukhang sumabit sa pa. Pero ito ang sabi, nag-swipe daw eh, taga sa braso.
Second foul, number 17, Reg Gabat, penalty. First foul on Reg Gabat. Two free throws, Jericho Kamay.
Yeah, interesting. First personal on Rex. But Arellano is not capitalizing on these opportunities. They have missed 4 of the last 5 free throws. One more coming up here for Kamay. They were solid in the first half. 1 out of 2. Arellano was 12 out of 15 from the line ng first half natin. They've missed more free throws in this quarter alone than the entire first half. 57-48. Gabat, Richo, wala. Felebrico collects. Felebrico gets the whistle. That's his game, coach.
Oh, hilaw yung box out eh. Hindi mo pwedeng tikitan lang. Kailangan pagka kumunta ka, ilakad mo talaga palabas. Kasi sa NCAA, if you observe, all teams, with crash boards, they don't box out.
Yeah.
They jump for the ball. Kukunin nila yung bola. So, pagka hindi ka katangkaran, gusto mong mauna kang tumalon eh. So, kung hindi ka matangkad, kailangan you're first to the ball para makuha mo maka-transition na agad kayo. So if you're one of the smarter teams, you have to box people out.
Yeah.
Saka hindi yung box out na token. Kapatukan mo na. Kailangan pag kumonta ka, ilabas mo talaga, bayaan mo tumalbog yung bola.
Yeah. At ito si TJ Filibrico, isa to sa mga sanay na maging undersized
Oo.
big. Di ba?
Parehas nga sila ni Kalahat
Yan.
ng laro.
That's right.
Si Kalahat lang mas magaling umatake.
Ah.
Pero ito mas magaling pumasa.
Valencia. 2 out of 2 by the way for Filibrico. Ito na ang San Sebastian. Suico collects the board. Paengare. Uy, muntik mawala. Maare dives for it. Ito ulit siya. Are.
Libre.
Suico. That one rimmed out. Battle for the board. Nakuha ni Kapulong. Here's Kamay. Hernal.
Atake yan.
Hernal, no. There's a whistle.
I think that's on TJ Filibrico.
That's a delayed whistle, coach.
Tingnan natin ha, kasi hindi yung contact sa ilalim.
Wow. Oo nga. Graduate na itong si Ian Suico.
Tingnan natin ano nangyari doon ha. Sana mapakita sa atin nila direct kung saan yung foul. Kasi on that scramble ba? Sa ilalim.
Yeah, it was. Kasi si RJ ang magpi-free throw. It's not the shot taker. So, conversion para dito kay RJ Geronimo. Facing his former team. Dahil ito yung star dati ng kanilang juniors team. Si RJ Geronimo ng San Sebastian. And
One of the best scorers in season 98.
59-50. Paengare.
Good
Oh, what a
pass.
pass. No look. Velasco
Wala.
though could not finish.
Gotta finish that. Buhat na yung umbuhat sa ilalim.
Yuan Kamay. Taking the contact off the glass and in.
Good hard drive by Kamay. Ang sikip na ng inside ng depensa. No? Nagawan pa ng paraan. Nakadalawang balik.
Ayan, ito. Velasco will make sure of this hoop. Hinanap ulit siya doon ni Paengare. There is another whistle
Oo,
here.
yung pag-slice ni TJ Filibrico.
Penalty. Third foul on Tristan
That's-
Filibrico.
His third, Mavi Vinoya is
coming in for the Chiefs.
back in the game. Kapulong gets a rest.
For Joseph Hernal.
So, tingnan natin kung magpa-5 out sila dito. At tatlong perimeter front court players. Itong si Hernal, Minoya, tsaka Valencia.
Yeah.
Tapos Kamay, tsaka Geronimo. Lahat downhill attackers.
Oo,
So
yeah.
pagkakalaban mo ng team na to, kailangan medyo matibay yung one-on-one defense mo. Kasi every time mahawakan nila, they would look to attack.
Yeah. Coach, interesting hindi pa pinapalitan dito si Yuan Kamay. Naalala natin nung first quarter, late din nilabas yung kanyang starter
Dre.
na si Dre Miller, no? Different styles, but you know, they're getting a chunk of the minutes at the point.
Parang pagka gusto mo na medyo deliberate, mag-execute ng offensive packages mo, si Dre ang gagamitin mo. Pagka gusto mo medyo dumiin, rumatrat, Kamay ka.
Amir Aguilar.
Which is magandang combination
Coming in for
na meron kang guards for both. It would be better if you have one guy na gano'n. Kaya yung pag-slice. Slice it.
Yung pangga.
Okay lang shoulder to shoulder, yung elbow nakita.
Third on Filibrico. Ito si Paeng. Risho.
Travel. Oh, foul sa baba.
It's on Geronimo. Siya yung nagtaas ng kamay.
Holding foul, number 3, Ernest Geronimo. His first.
Only the second team foul on the Chiefs.
40
Nico Aguilar is
seconds on
back in the
shot
game.
clock.
8 points for this guy. All in the second frame. That's where he dealt damage. Paengare scans. Are, still a non-factor offensively. Ito yung pasa niya. Risho. Short. It stays with Baste. With a fresh 14 to work with. Si Paeng, I'm not sure if I'll call it struggling offensively because he hasn't taken that many shots. Hanap sa ilalim. Oh! The denial and a touchdown by Vinoya.
So ito yung strength naman ng lineup na ito. Mahaba, athletic, can run in transition. And panay wing nga eh. Parang ang guards to eh. 5 guards din. So kayang sumabay dito sa speed ng San Sebastian. Kaya lang, yung dalawang bigay ng San Sebastian, pag naglaro, parang bigay.
11 puntos na para kay Nico Aguilar, draining a triple. That's a good counter for San Sebastian, especially after the laps. Paeng, kinukulit. Itong si Kamay. Wow, it's on Paeng, Are.
Oo, kasi nakita. Tingnan natin ha.
He can't believe it.
Kasi kinapitan si Are.
Here's a review on the last
Another review
foul.
here. Kasi on the scramble, ito, dun sa sundot, may mas magandang angle eh. Ayan, nakakapit si Kamay eh.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
I think they'll reverse it. Tatawag to kay Kamay kasi hindi naman tinawagan yung sundot eh. Yung tinawagan na yung next contact. Our officials are reviewing it. This is the longest third quarter of the season so far.
I bet.
And we are here for all of it.
Yep.
Okay. Wow, this is a very deliberate review from our officiating crew. Eto, coach. Sundot ni Paeng, malinis.
Yung kinapitan.
Yeah, dapat kay Kama yung foul.
Kapit tayo kay Jesus, huwag sa kalaban. Paul yan eh. Awak eh.
Nawak niya. Kasi kukunin na ni
Oo,
Paeng
Are,
yung bola.
Pwede pang ang unspo kasi all alone na si Are eh. Kasi hinawakan. So, could go both ways. Pero definitely, kung sa video, and on spur of the moment, nakita mo eh, nakaklip yung braso ni
Kamay.
Yuan kay sa right arm ni Paeng Are. There you go. Tama.
Yeah.
Unsportsmanlike kasi
Called it.
on
You called it,
transition
coach.
eh.
Yeah, you
On
called it.
transition, all alone sa sundot, hinawakan eh.
Yeah,
So, diretso ng transition basket dapat yun.
you called it.
Upon review, it was an
Good call.
sportsmanlike foul.
Good review, good call by our officials.
On number 9,
That was a good
Jericho
call.
Kamay gets his fourth for
Pang-apat.
excessive hard contact caused by a player in an effort to play the ball or an opponent. Timeout,
So,
San Sebastian,
unsportsmanlike
Golden
foul.
State.
On Yuan Kamay on the clear path. 2 free throws plus a possession for San Sebastian.
That was the right call. It was the right call.
Yeah, but we understand the frustration.
Oo, syempre. Kasi una turnover. Ito, simpleng-simple. Pagkasundot, titingnan niya yung left arm ni Kamay. Susundot sa kanan. Look at him. There's a clip. Tapos, may hawak. Ayan, yung hawak. Kasi papunta ng transition. Tinawagan niya ng unsportsmanlike kasi it would be a clear 1-on-0 transition. Parang yung intentional foul na meron kang numbers on the break. So, bibigyan niya ng 2 free throws plus ball possession. It's same as a clear path foul. Okay, so yun. And good review by our referees. Okay ba? Nagagamit ko yung mga seminar ko sa FIBA ng pandemic.
Yan.
Kaya kasi kailangan. as analysts, kaya naiintindihan ko yung mga ganyan. Yun yung vantage points ng mga referees natin. For our viewers to understand it, why they call
What's
it
going
like
on?
that.
Yeah.
Oo.
FIBA rules yan. So Paeng will have the opportunity at the line here. This could get him going
Yeah, definitely.
as a scorer and a shooter like Paengare.
Ball possession.
You just
14
need
seconds on the shot clock.
to see the ball go through the hoop. And 2 out of 2. Here's the bonus possession. Lead is down to 7. Aguilar. Floater. Maigse.
Tough
Timac
shot.
gets it.
Nakabuelo.
Timac is on the move. Earn J.
That's the
It's the
fourth
contact.
foul. Fourth foul, ni Paengare. If I'm not mistaken, ha?
Foul on number
Fourth or
4,
third?
Mahingare. Your second.
Oh, second.
Second pa lang.
Si ano pala, Escobedo.
Escobedo.
Ernest Geronimo.
Si Escobedo ngayon, coach. Okay, dalawa pa lang. Dalawa pa lang. Ang may tatlo sa kanila, si Velasco. Ang graduate kanina, si Suico. Felebrico, tatlo na.
Yan. Kasi magkakasing height eh.
So, Earn J. Geronimo at the free throw line. Connects on the free throw. So the lead is back up to 8. Paengare. Paeng retreats. He has the bigger guy on him. Escobedo. Rebound secured by Hernal. Here is Earn J. Geronimo. Timac. Ongotan saw the gap, but opted to pass. Vinoya, pasa sa ilalim. Ongotan pumeke. Another foul here on San Sebastian.
Siguro big man sa Sorsogon tong si ano.
Si
Sorsogon
Ongotan.
nahanap to si Ongotan, no? Pag naglaro, parang big man eh. Parang big man eh. Lagi siyang nandun sa dunker spot. Lakas kumuha ng rebound. Tsaka dun siya, mahilig siya makipag-brasuhan dyan sa ilalim.
2 free throws for
Tsaka
J.
papuri yan sa kanya.
Ongotan.
Kasi, pagka maliit ka sa ilalim, tapos nakontakan ka, tapos ikaw yung offensive player, kadalasan papabor sa'yo yung tawag. Tapos madiin pa siya maglaro.
Yeah.
Kaya makikita natin, maganda makita yung average nito sa free throws. Kahit naman dis yung una niya. Baka marami na akong free throws to eh, si Timac.
Timac Ongotan. You're right. Pang-5 at pang-6 na niya to, coach.
Yung on average na per game. Kasi mahilig siya sa mix-up sa ilalim eh.
Well, ito yung pinakamarami niya so far in the season.
Christian Rishon giving in for the
Before this, he was
Golden
3
Stats.
out of 4.
Lawrence Caputo.
Pero dito,
And
talagang
AG
namiesta
Bonameo
siya sa
giving in
ilalim. Doon lang siya nakatambay. 1 and 58. Left in the third. Nico Aguilar. Meron na siyang 11 puntos sa ating laban. Paeng. Felebrico. Eye to eye with Hernal. Carving space, just misses at the rim. But it goes the other way.
Outside.
So Arellano will have a chance to extend. 1 and 37 left dito sa ating third quarter. Hernal misses.
Isa lang talaga yung
Hernal
gusto nilang
gets it
gawin.
back.
Basket counts for
Follows it up
Bernal.
and draws the foul.
Isa lang talaga, one gear lang tong Arellano. Ako, coast to coast, inatake, nilipit na yung tira, kukunin nila yung crash boards.
His third personal.
Yun yung pangatlo, next time
Bonus
kasi sa
free
Sayar.
throw for Joseph Bernal.
It's just really the energy on the boards nito ng Arellano University. 12 offensive rebounds already as opposed to 8 by San Sebastian. And overall, in the rebounding coach, Arellano is a +11 in the rebounding department.
Ryan
Crash boards eh.
Rosalin.
Mga crash boards talaga
In
sila.
for Basti Valencia.
69-57. Balik sa 12. ang abante ng Arellano University. New face on the court for the Chiefs as they call a foul from way out. Ito si Brian Rosalin.
Lawrence Capulong. His
Si
second.
Rosalin nasa lineup na ito ng Arellano last year but used
15
sparingly.
seconds on
Marami
the
na rin
shot
ito napaglaruan before
Basta
going to
ready.
Arellano.
Basta ready lang.
Yeah. So a minute and 16. Nico Aguilar. Pump fake. Aguilar nabitawan. Oh, good steady defense by Hernal.
Tumama sa pinti ni Hernal eh. Pag-fall under.
Eto si Borromeo. Rosalin. Ganda nung hanap. Timac. Hang time. Count it. And the foul for Timac Ungutan.
Sa'yo, big man to eh. Big man to maglaro eh. Kita mo, alam niya kung saan siya kukuha ng mga puntos eh. Dun sa ilalim, pag nakabuelo. Wala rin kasi takot eh. Baling-bali yung tira. Ang takot eh. So unless na lalagyan mo siya ng mas malaking tao na makikipaggalingan siya dun sa ilalim, lulunurin mo siya sa depensa. Tataasan mo lang ng kamay kasi mahilig siyang bumali-bali.
Vote is speaker for
Nangat-gating ka rin talaga
Ongota.
dyan. Kasi yun yung laro niya talaga eh.
San Sebastian di pa nakaka-adjust dun sa activity niya, no, coach?
Tsaka nanggagaling yung atake niya of energy plays, hustle plays. Eh. So, hindi siya kailangan hanapin para mag-set up ng sarili.
Biggest lead for Arellano. 72-57. Kabat misfires. And Timac with the board. Ito na siya, tumatakbo. Ongota. Roy! Traveling ang tinawag.
Traveling.
Pwede pa nga blocking foul kay Felebrico kasi hip-to-hip contact. Ito, full speed ahead, dire-diretso. Makita natin may buwelo. Ayun o, yung hip-to-hip, pero hindi gumalaw si Felebrico. So it's a travel. Good call by our officials. Kasi sa unang tingin mo, parang hinabol ng bewak, pero naka-anchor lang si Felebrico eh.
Yeah.
So that's good defense.
Steady lang. About a 7-second difference between the shot and the game clock. Raf Gabat against Borromeo. Gabat is hounded. Felebrico will choose to attack. Felebrico. Gabat from the corner. Gabat connects from long distance.
Kailangan nila yun. Yung puntos galing kay Polo Gabat dahil namamagana yung lamang kanina.
Bagsak si
Yun
Ongotan.
lang.
That's a foul right before the horn. Double block ay yan sa San
Oo,
Sebastian.
kasi penalty.
Penalty, pang-apat ni
There is
Felebrico.
a review on the last foul.
So, oh man, this is a tough break. Pero, Okay. So, sinisilip na to ng ating mga opisyales. Checking out the play. That's right before the buzzer sounded. So, if it's on Felebrico, this is gonna be number 4. And now, they're still clarifying what kind of foul will be called. I think Timac, after the contact, tripped on his own. Pero dun lang tumawag yung refs natin. Pagbagsak ni Ongotan. So it wasn't on the initial contact with Felebrico. They called the whistle. Called the foul nung bumagsak na itong si Timac Ongotan. So, kung ganun yung sitwasyon, Felebrico definitely has a case here. Kasi wala namang contact nung pagbaksak na ito ni Timac Ongotan. Sige, let's have one more look here. Ongotan trying. Ito, hindi pa tinatawagan dyan. That was the initial contact. And then, dito na patid. Itong si Timac Ongotan. That was a moment when they blew the whistle. Okay, Coach, what's the verdict on that? Ito,
Bibigyan to ng free throw. Bibigyan ng free throw. Kasi may oras pa, meron pa nga oras na matitira dapat yan.
Upon review,
Kasi they blew it before the
a
buzzer
foul
sounded.
on number 18,
Dalawang
Tristan
contact na. Yung
Federico,
isa let go.
penalty.
And then, nung habol na sundot, may foul.
Tristan Federico, 5 fouls.
oh no, di pala fourth foul. Fifth foul na neto ni Filibrico. So he's the second Golden Stag to foul out of this game.
So we go back again, re-rewind tayo doon sa una nating pinag-usapan.
Two
Martin,
free
I told you
throws for
kung sinong
Jeddah
team ang
Okotan.
makakakontrol ng kanilang fouls with their key guys, yun ang maganda ang chances na maitawid at makuha yung panalo. Dahil parehas na team, very, very aggressive on defense. High work rates.
Yeah. 2 free throws here for Team Okotan. Back to a 14-point lead, heaved by Rizzo. So that's how we will end the longest third quarter of the season so far. Arellano with a 14-point lead. When we return, we will write the final chapter of this one. Okay, Alex, magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.